15 points up for the Nifty. This is in line with SGX, but this is not in line with what the pre-open rates were suggesting. 14 points up for the Nifty, so we are now marching towards 5400. From Thursday's low to Monday's open, this market in quick time has recovered by about 2% plus. Benchmark indices have recovered by about 2% plus. Will be close above 5400, will be stay above 5400, that is honestly debatable. Infosys Technologies, what is the first rate there? 18 points up for Infosys Technologies. For number of watches, you just heard from an analyst that in terms of EPS nothing will change for Infosys for FY13 and then for FY14. In terms of other themes, I just want to look at metals and banks. Metals, they went up and they went up on Friday on account of short covering, so Tata Steel is holding on. SAIL is also at about 80 rupees and JSPL is at 340 rupees along with Sesagua, which is 171. Now banks, and especially the private banks, Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, then HDFC Bank, and then followed by some PSU names here. Banks looking okay. Index is up by about 0.5%, Nifty is up by about 0.25%, and Infosys is up about 18 rupees after the acquisition. So whichever way I cut and dissect, markets are in a good shape.
Just about marginally up in the green for the mid as well as the small cap indices. In fact, it's lying absolutely flat for the small caps. A smidge in the green for the bank Nifty as well, which seems to be mirroring the index or vice versa. Up just about 0.2% for the bank Nifty. JSPL, they've been accused of cheap coal as well as costly power. Even the JSPL has refuted the statement. The Times of India is reporting this first thing in the morning. Deccan Chronicles as well, they've sought a debt recast of about 3,000 crore rupees. That is one stock which is in focus. And Bharti Infratel, which is likely to file for the DRHP for a 5,000 crore rupee IPO this week. That is what the newspaper reports are indicating, and Bharti has started off just about absolutely quiet currently.